Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Zero to G, where we take you from Google beginner to AI expert. And in today's episode, I'd like to take you into a world of AI Studio and highlight the new streams option that the model has just recently released. And these new features that are associated in the streams will definitely change the way that you're working and using Google today. So let's get into it. And here we are. So if we're at Google to access AI Studio, select AI Studio, and here we are. And you'll notice the first thing that will always want to run your settings for you to allow you to either change the model that you're working on, but they do default to the new Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is their latest free version, which will suffice to answer any of our needs here today. So I'll just go ahead and close that and just show you what a nice clean interface the new screen has provided. And it also provides some additional instructions across the top, as well as your code for any developers. They're also giving you access to your Google Drive, so you can go ahead and share, as well as a compare mode and the ability to clear the chat and start over. And they've got some default questions, and as well as a prompt gallery that's available to you. But for the purpose of our episode today, I would like to concentrate on the stream option. And again, I'll always open that for you and give you the option. So here, this is where the real magic is going to come, because I gotta say, in all the years that I've had the experience of using Google, I must say that this is literally an absolute game changer. The first option that you'll see is the ability to talk. So with Gemini now, you have the ability of being able to talk in the same way that I'm talking to you now. You can have a conversation with Gemini, and Gemini can answer your questions in real time. So we'll go ahead and we'll try this out, and I'll just ask us some really basic mathematic questions and see if it can answer our. Hey Google, can you hear me? I'm wondering if you can give me the square root of 144. Can you multiply that number 144 by 6,773? Can you give me some basic instructions on what I need to know to build a fence in my backyard? So you see how the new Google AI talk feature will allow you to talk in real time and get actual answers back that have actually provide value to you. Now, in this case, we could continue the process and go through the permitting and go through the whole process of building this fence. But what I'm trying to show you is that you now have the ability of virtually being able to go ahead and just talk in the same way that you would have a general conversation with somebody now with Gemini. Now, the next feature I'd like to demonstrate to you is this webcam option. And what this is going to do is this is going to give you the ability to be able to share an image on your webcam with Gemini. Gemini is now able to recognize that image and be able to provide answers and insight to the image that you provided. So what we've done here is I've gone ahead and produced a uh, somewhat of a more complex mathematical question, and we'll see if we can get the Gemini to answer our question in real time. So we'll go ahead and share our screen. So Gemini, can you see my screen? Yes. No. No, that's good. Thank you. So you can see, guys, that again, this gives you the ability to be able to share an image, have Google look at that image, and then be able to provide answers to your specific questions related to that image, which is just an absolute game changer. I'm sure you would agree. So that concludes our episode here today. If you found this information to be helpful, please give it a like and share, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.